Hey everyone! I'll quickly show you how to create a QR code for your Facebook page using your phone. This is a super easy method and works great for sharing your page online or offline. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. From here, tap on your profile picture and switch to the Facebook page you want to share. Once your page opens, look for the three dots near the View Tools option and tap on them. Scroll down, and you'll see an option that shows your page's link. Tap Copy Link. Next, open any web browser like Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Free QR Code Generator and open any trusted website from the results. Paste your Facebook page link into the box and tap Generate. Your QR code will appear instantly. Take a screenshot, crop it neatly, and save it to your phone. And that's it. You've successfully created a QR code for your Facebook page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.